Your round of applause are not up to the mark. I think we need some more starters like Wellington Catholic Gymkhana, some more starters, some chicken this side. Okay, our next awardee for this evening is Mr. Chandan Chandrasekhar Batsavle. Mr. Chandrasekhar Batsavle is the person who is largely responsible for the success story of Saguna Bagh. His father, Mr. Hari Batsavle, was a Gandhian freedom fighter who left his house at the age of 16 to fight British. Mr. Batsavle is BSc Agriculture from Dapoli, Masters in Food Science and Technology from University of California, USA, and then he came back in 1976 to India for good. Despite all the usual problems in India, he then took complete interest in farming, and with the help of his family members and team workers, he guided Saguna Bagh to its current position. His wife, Ms. Anuradha Batsavle, proved to be a big support for Mr. Chandrasekhar Batsavle for taking Saguna Bagh to its current position. Currently, Saguna Bagh has about 130 permanent employees. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Mr. Chandrasekhar Batsavle, everyone.
Giving employment to the farmers, and that's a key thing that he's doing. I think that's missed. Giving employment to farmers. He's graduated abroad. He could have just stayed there and made more for the living. But I think he's come back and he's ensured that these farmers over there don't leave their land or sell their land, and he's doing something good. Would you like to share something?
Yes, I would like to do some corrections. All the information that he gave is about my father. I myself am Chandan Chandrasekhar Batsavle, and I did my hotel management from Switzerland, and I came back 10 years ago to India, and I'm working with my father in the farm, and I really love it. Of course, after doing all my education, I had many options, but I think it's in the family history, and I strongly believe you all people are from the corporate world and staying in the city. I traveled about 3 hours from my village to this place, and I can tell you that rural India is really amazing. There is a lot of potential over there. I have seen it. A lot of my people are working in the corporate world. Lot of my friends are working in the corporate world in cities outside India. But I consider myself really happy. I think I'm living a dream. And I'm sure everybody who really wants to explore India, rural India is the place. And thank you for inviting me here.